Today we have the AfterGlow wireless headset for PS4. Sorry I haven't posted anything. My computer broke. I just got it back today. As soon as I start uploading, as soon as this video goes up, I'll respond to all your questions and stuff. So yeah, let's get to this unboxing. Oh my god, this damn. Alright, there we go. I had it on the wrong side, my bad. So as you can see, pulling out this big ass thing. Alright, so we got the wires, the wireless USB receiver. Here it is. Yeah, this looks nice, brand new. The mic's in here. Instruction guide. Man, good thing I got scissors, right? Yeah. Let's open this baby up. Here it is. It's pretty huge. Damn, come on. Trying to get all the plastic off. A little hard. Alright, so here it is. AfterGlow. I believe you plug in the line right there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Right there. But yeah. Volume adjustment. The cool part is about this headset, you can pull this out and talk and all that. Pretty awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. I just hooked it. As you can see, I just hooked this up. Turn blue light. This was blinking. Trying to find it. Pretty awesome mic. I'm trying to extend it. Give me 1 minute. As you can see, mic looks awesome. Pretty beast at night.